Well, Fly Vegan family, today we're going to be cooking up some jambalaya pasta.
Good.
So we're going to start by putting some butter in the pan. After the butter melts, add some onion, bell pepper, celery, garlic, and tomatoes.
Give this video a big thumbs up.
Cook down the vegetables until they start to form a paste. They need to cook for about 20 minutes. I'm going to use the Beyond Meat hot Italian sausage. I'm going to slice them into pieces and then I'll brown them. I seared the sausage for about 3 minutes on each side. I want to add some Gardein strips to the pan just to warm them up. While the meat substitutes are cooking, I'll add the rinsed and drained pasta to the veggie sauce. Making sure the sauce totally coats the pasta. Now just throw in your meat substitutes and mix it together.
Yes, hunty, yes.
If you like this video, give it a thumbs up, share it with a friend, and don't forget
To